I think it's fun to talk about people that actually have come up to me and actually bought a machine from seeing what I've done. And they've noticed the capacity that you can have on a machine and customize. You can customize parts, you can do what other companies can't do. So there's another guy called Eric. I've become a friend to him as well because there's a community with all people that have these machines in this CNC thing. So he actually also came in contact with the guys in Estonia. He ordered a machine and his work is maybe not the work that you see typical wanting to use a CNC machine. So I would say Sweden's biggest ATV snowmobile distributor. ATVs, they have boat motors, they have everything that is with a motor and it's fun to do. And I just met him. He also got the hang of me from Facebook. When I sold my old machine and I told him that I'm buying this new machine, and that's how we first got in contact. I went out to him and then he just talked about how he can make special customized stuff. So I can do, like, if a company or hotel orders 15 snowmobiles, I can do customize with the logo for the hotel. I can take measurements and I can cut it out and it will fit perfectly. He also noticed a lot of stuff that you can do, you can offer it to end customers. So the end customers will also be able to, like, I want to order that but with my name, or can you make this part in aluminum? I know nothing about snowmobile, but I was just spitballing with him and I saw that there's so much customization you can do with a CNC machine.